How to use AI for your business to scale your business, part six. If you haven't watched part one, two, three, four, five, they're all on my YouTube channel. But today we are talking about part six. And the topic of discussion is how to use AI to write a book. If you are a business owner, you don't have to be a book publisher to own your own book. You can write a book about your lifestyle, you can write a book about your business experience, you can write a kid's book, you can write a grown up book, you can write an ebook. But today I'm going to be explaining how AI can make that book writing super easy for you. So let's do it. Hey, mom, you're doing great. Keep going. Don't hesitate. Success is yours, it's on the way. Let them hate, but you won't stray. Do something for yourself today. You are worthy in every way. You are strong, you are true. Beautiful. Yes, that's you. So keep going. Hello, everyone. My name is Ijaya Sambo. I'm the owner and the creative designer behind Cover Me Cute. At Cover Me Cute, we create head to toe modest fashion to keep you covered, still maintain a high level of cuteness. Apart from being a fashion designer, I'm also a mentor for people, for women that want to scale their businesses, for women that have business ideas that they want to bring to life. I have over a decade of business experience. I'm also a mom, a wife, a nurse, and I love absolutely everything that I do. Today, we are focusing on how to use AI to write a book. Okay. So if you don't know what the term AI means, it means artificial intelligence. And you can go back and watch my previous videos. I'm going to link it somewhere around this screen. However, watch this video to the end first, and then you can go back and go and watch the other series, because for every part you watch, it's a whole topic. But I didn't want to put everything in there and say 10 ways you can use your AI, and the video is going to be like over an hour. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to give you snippets, just a little, just enough to get you started for each video. So as you watch, I don't just want you to watch and get the information. I want you to watch and execute. So for every video, I expect you to execute. If you are new to this channel, I want to welcome you. I want to greet you. This is the Wealthy Mom Club. You are welcome. You are welcome to become one of our siblings. You can also join our membership. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button. If you are if you are an OG, right? You're not a newbie, you're an OG. You are welcome back to the channel. Have you hit the notification? Because I drop 3 videos every week. So let me know in the comment section if you're a newbie or you're an OG. Okay. And tell us what you do in the chat. Like, sell yourself in the comment section. It's very important for business owners to be able to sell themselves even in one sentence. And today we're talking about publishing a book. Here are 3 reasons why I know that every business owner should have a book. Number 1, it's going to create authority. It's going to let people in your industry know that you know what you're doing, right? Number 2, it's going to be a second source of income or a third source of income. It's going to be an additional source of income. So now you're not just selling your products or service, but you are now getting royalty on your books, either on Amazon or hard copy, like you're shipping it to people. And 3, it is going to give you that visibility. People are not just going to find you from social media, because not everybody's on social media. Some people are going to find you through the books. Maybe you went to, maybe you publish a book and you donate it to schools or to colleges, or you donate it to homes. People can find you through different organizations where your books can be found. So I believe that if you own a company, if you own a business, if you inspire to own a business in the future, even if it's your side hustle, you can write a book and make that book another source of income. So, how do you write? How does AI help you write your book? A lot of times when we're thinking about writing a book, it might be your life journey, it might be your experience as a business owner, it might be in your industry, maybe a book on how you became a professional organizer. It might be a book on how you became a fashion designer. As a Muslim, I might want to write my hijab journey, or why I'm always different, or the uniqueness of being a Black Muslim, or it might be on like my journey as a human being, period, right? Because everybody's story is going to be this different. There is no 2 stories that are the same. So if I wanted to write a book today, I would choose to write, let me say I choose to write a children's book, right? So I would pick the topic. Let's say I'm different. Let me say that would be the title of the book. I'm different. And then I'll start every single day. I'll dedicate like 30 to 45 minutes to think about the things from my childhood, that what made me different up till today, and I'll keep on writing it for like a week or so. And then after drafting everything that made me different, things people called out when I was young, things people still call out, how I feel when I walk in a room with my hijab on, with my tribal marks on my face, with my dark skin, how people react to me, how my differences has given me, that's empowered me, and how I can use it to empower other children and other adults that are coming right after me or that are before me. Because sometimes even grown-ups need more confidence, right? So I'm going to write these little things about myself to make it very personal. And then I'm going to take it to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it, or Gemini, and I'm going to say, I want to write a children's book. I want it to be 30 pages long. I'm going to have an illustrator, or I use a AI tool to illustrate the images that I want to use for the book, right? But write me a book with this draft that is going to be 30 pages long, that is going to, for each page, maybe it's going to have 40 words or 30 words. I want it to be like a level, like a third, fourth grade level book. Like the more detailed you are explaining the kind of description you want the book to be, the better results AI is going to produce for you. And the moment you put all this information in, within a twinkle of an eye, this is what I tell you all the time, ChatGPT is going to create this beautiful book for you that you can edit. What I would advise you to do is make a copy of the book, read it, edit it, with the words you want to take out, the words you want to put in, and then you can go to AIs that have to do with images. I'm gonna link. I can't think about it on top of my head right now, but I'm gonna be putting like AIs that do like illustrations, and I'm gonna that can use your picture to make you an illustration that is copyright free. Right. So I'm gonna put it somewhere around the screen. There are like 2 or 3 apps that you can use for that, but you can also hire an illustrator on Fiverr. So if you go to Fiverr or you go to Upwork, you just put in children's book illustrator. It's gonna cost you very, 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 very cheap amount of money, maybe 5, 10, $15. And you can ask the illustrator to illustrate, give them a picture of you and make it a cartoon, or even your kids, who all the characters in the book can be illustrated, and then you can get the pictures and put it in the book. And then now all you have to do is find a publishing company that you can reach out to. And you can also do this for your kids. Like if your kid has something unique, every child has something unique. Let's take, for example, my kids wear hijabs to school every day. A lot of times they are the only child wearing hijab. They are writing their own stories right now, and we're going to publish them. I also have a black owned company that is a book publisher. I'll be giving you her link right here in this video. It is not sponsored. She didn't even know I'm going to shout her out, but you can reach out to her to get this book published and get your first hard copy. And from there, you can have it on your website. You can have it on Amazon. And then from there, you can make it an audiobook. You can even reach out to schools, to libraries, and get your word out there. I feel like if you have a business, you have a story to tell. Everybody has a story to tell. And in this day and age, storytelling is the best way to market your products. I hope this video helps someone, and I hope at this point you have subscribed. If you have not, what are you waiting for? If you're going to need more help, if you have a business idea, you want to bring your business to life, and you're going to need more help bringing your business to life, you can click the link below and request for a consultation through my email. You can also join our membership. So in our membership, what we do is we come together every month and we work together. We write grants together. If you're looking for a way to get more money for your company, a grant will be the best option for you. Money you don't have to pay back. I mean, sometimes you have to take zero interest loans too. They exist. Some people don't know that they exist, but they do exist. But we talk about all these things in the Patreon. The link is also below. If you have any questions or you have any video requests that you want me to make in the nearest future, also put it in the comment below. Don't forget to comment on other people's comment as well. It might be the next person to you that you need their service. And don't forget to talk about your business as well. Also, one last thing I'll ask is for you to share this video with another business owner and use this video to inspire people just like I inspired you today. I hope this video helps someone, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.